food, there is a story. I've been tested these pastries way back 2006, if I'm not mistaken. And I've been a part of the culinary team as a junior sous chef gourmand. At very young age of 26 years old, and I would say this is the second home of my career as a chef by profession. I've been working with a well-known executive pastry chef in the north of the Philippines. His name is Chef Archie. He is the person behind me that amazing banana cakes. This establishment is one of the prestigious country club in the Philippines, the only rated 5-star mountain resorts in the Philippines, Baguio Country Club. It's my honor and privilege to be a part of management team during that time. Till now, I'm turning back my head for them. They have very special banana cakes, sometimes we call us banana breads, very moist, soft, fluffy, and color like chocolates and crack on top. So guys, let's bake it at home. I'm gonna try my best how to bake banana cakes a la Baguio Country Club. Although we cannot copy the original recipes. So we have a lovely banana, nice and yellow color. Overripe banana is the better for more flavor and texture of the cakes. Banana cakes or banana bread are really perfect for the breakfast or even in our snacks and for our coffee break as well. Add 3 teaspoons of baking soda on it. One cup of brown sugar. And then mash it. One-half teaspoon of salt. 2 eggs. One cup of milk. And then 1 1/4 cup of flour. Mix it. Don't over mix. And then 1/2 cup of good vegetables oil, corn oil, canola oil, alright, the secret of very moist, fluffy, soft, and cracked banana cake is required 1 day fermentation. So we're gonna keep it in the fridge and then we're gonna bake it for the next day. So we're gonna preheat our oven to 180. To 1 hour. Our fan, low fan, so line with baking paper. And then our banana mixture. So we have to fill up the low fan into 3/4. To make it crack on top, you have to have a knife or oil or vegetable oil. Submerge the knife and then dip the knife on the center of banana cake. Something like that. So the air will come out and it will result of crack on top. So guys, let's bake our banana cake. The good thing in these recipes, even you don't bake it, you can keep for so long 3 to 4 days inside the fridge. So it's easy to handle, very practical, and aside from that, it is profitable. It's really good for business. Once you bake it, it doesn't require any refrigeration or cold storage to keep on. Just leave it to room temperature within 3 to 4 days. Still soft, moist, and delicious. Look at this, guys. Now it's already cracked inside the oven. It looks yummy, guys, huh? Yeah, now it's almost done, guys. As you can see, it's cracked already on top. Looks yummy. Looks big, man. Alright, it's done. Look at this. It's really nice crack on top and color like chocolates. Super moist banana cakes, guys. So let's unmold our banana cakes. Alright, guys, it's time to eat. See, as you can see, it's really moist, fluffy and soft, and then a bit crusty on top. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Happy baking at home. I'll see you on my next vlog.